Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Cardano, ADA, from crypto.com to your Coinbase wallet. It's a straightforward process that can save you time and fees, but it's crucial to get it right to avoid any mishaps. In this video, I'll guide you through each step, so you can do this confidently and securely. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure both your Crypto.com and Coinbase wallet accounts are set up and verified. This is key for smooth transactions. Open the Crypto.com app or website and log in. Once you're in, head to your wallet section and locate your Cardano balance. It's usually listed under your assets. Tap or click on it to proceed. Next, select the Withdraw or Send option for ADA. Before you go further, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app. Find your Cardano wallet and copy the receiving address. Pro tip: double check that it's the correct address, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in Crypto.com, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees displayed. They can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Take a moment to review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. If it all looks good, hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. After you confirm, the transaction will be processed on the Cardano blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes, but it could be longer depending on network traffic. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to see your ADA arrive. If you're new to this, keep an eye on transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Cardano Scan. A couple of quick tips to keep things safe: always use the Cardano network for these transfers, and never share your wallet keys or seeds. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you manage your crypto more effectively. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more 2025 crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.